Today we are going to discuss about corporate communication and its elements of corporate communication: corporate identity, corporate image, and corporate reputation. When we talk about corporate communication, it encompasses the different strategies and the practices where it is used to convey the messages internally as well as externally. Corporate communication includes everything such as public relations, marketing to employee relations, investor relations, and the media relations. Corporate communication is very much essential for maintaining a positive reputation, engaging the stakeholders, and achieving the organizational goals. It involves internal as well as the external communication. The importance of corporate communication here is into brand awareness, employee engagement, employee productivity, crisis management, supporting the society, a trustworthy image, to limit the negative comments among the people, maintaining business image, and the reputation management. While we talk about the key concepts in corporate communication, we have corporate identity, corporate image, and corporate reputation. While we say corporate identity, what it is looked after. Corporate identity is something which is into a complete visual elements like logos, taglines, fonts, and colors to identify your company, which creates an image and to promote it. Corporate identity stands across a very important part of an organization where it expresses out on a vision of an organization, the values what you carry, and how is that you are differentiated on your business from the different competitors you have got. It is more than just a design to say how you are and who you are as an organization or a company. Whereas when we refer to an organization, the corporate identity stands across as in commercial character. The whole personality of an organization depends on logos, name, motto, products, services, buildings, stationery, and etc. How is that you drive across your organization. Whereas while we talk about an corporate image, it is a mental picture of the firm. How is that it springs up on in different stakeholders, internal as well as the external. It is in psychological impression where you continue where the stakeholders know about it continuously while you talk about the media coverage or from the performance of an organization or from the pronouncements. So similar to any firm's reputation or a goodwill, the corporate image is built upon. It is completely dependent on to a public perception. Unlike the corporate identity, it is very much fluid, like it can change overnight, where from positive to negative or to the neutral as well. So large firms, when we talk about the corporate image, large firms use different techniques like advertising to enhance their image, order to improve and to get the desirable results for the suppliers, employers, customers, investors, media, etc. The purpose of having a corporate image is like to have the enable accurate understanding of the firm, and also how is that you ensure the clear and goodwill, how is that it is created regarding the organization. Whereas the factors which influence a corporate image: media relations, transparency, business relations, mission and vision of an organization, advertising, marketing campaigns, corporate social responsibility, financial position, visual and physical environment for the employees. All of these factors, they build up a lot while we talk about the corporate image. Once we shift from corporate image, the major target for every organization is in corporate reputation, where here in corporate reputation, it is an observer's collective judgment, where the organization which is based on different assessment, could it be about the financial, could it be about the social, could it be about the environmental impacts by the different companies. Okay, so here the perceptual representation of the companies from any past actions or the future prospects whatever they have created, the overall look of the firms whatever they have created, it is compared with their competitor, and this corporate reputation is in complete assessment by its subjective in nature. The reputation here, it differs from the different image which is built up over the period of time. The storytelling of an organization, how is that they have been growing up, how is that they have been improving themselves and developing as per the society requirements and the internal and external employees. The essential factors while we talk about in corporate reputation are ethical management, employees in workplace, social responsibility, customer focus, the quality, the leadership, the reliability, and the emotional appeal. Thank you.